everyone, welcome to English with Urvashi. In this video, I'm going to tell you 6 different usages of the modal verb would. कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि would का यूज सिर्फ और सिर्फ फ्यूचर टेंस में होता है. ऐसा नहीं है. Would is the most flexible modal verb that can be used in various contexts. So इसका यूज हम present, past और future तीनों tenses में करते हैं. 6 different usages. Let's learn one by one. The first usage is for making a polite request. अगर आपको किसी के साथ रिक्वेस्ट करनी होती है, किसी से रिक्वेस्ट करनी होती है politely, formally, then we use would you. Look at the formation, would you followed by the first form. So अगर मुझे किसी को कहना है कि क्या आप मुझे वो फाइल पकड़ा देंगे, क्या आप मेरी हेल्प करेंगे, क्या आप अपने नोट्स शेयर कर देंगे. So I am making a request, and if I have to be formal with that person while making a request, I will use would you. Look at the examples now. Would you hand me that file, please? Would you please call that lady? Would you do me a favor? Would you submit your assignment tomorrow? Would you please change the appointment date? Okay, now you must have got one question with you, that why can't you use can you instead of would you? So understand the difference between can you help me and would you help me. So people who you have to be informal with. Now when I say informal means people who you don't have to give respect to. देखिए, जब हम बच्चों के साथ बात करते हैं और जो हमारी एज के लोग होते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, we don't give them respect. We are informal with them. So with those people, you can use the modal verb can. Can you help me? Can you do me a favor? Can you wake me up tomorrow? Okay, but if I use would you, it means I am giving you respect. I am being formal with you. So would you and can you can use either of them. It entirely depends on the kind of rapport that you share with them. So would you means it is used for making a formal request, formal, polite request. The second usage is to express a wish, something that you've been longing for. हिंदी में जिसे कहते हैं ना काश. For example, if I want to say काश आज बारिश आ जाए, काश तुम्हारी जॉब लग जाए, काश तुम्हारे 90% आए. So for expressing such things in English, I've got to use would. Look at the formation. I have to start my sentence with I wish. I wish इसलिए क्योंकि मैं अपनी डिजायर की बात कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको किसी और की डिजायर की बात करनी है, so you can change it as per the subject. They wish, she wishes, my father wishes. ठीक है? So I wish followed by the subject that you're talking about plus would plus first form plus object. So अगर जैसे मुझे कहना है ना कि काश तुम्हारे 90% आ जाए, ये मेरी wish है. So I'll start my sentence with I wish. तुम्हारे 90% आ जाए. I wish you would get 90%. I wish it would rain today. I wish you would get the job. My father wishes I would become an air hostess. Okay, negative के लिए would not लगाएंगे. काश आज मैम ना आए. स्कूल में कहते थे ना. I wish the teacher would not come today. I wish he would not scold me today. Okay? The next usage is for talking about your desire or something that you're interested in doing. जो काम आप करना पसंद करेंगे. Look at the formation. I'd like to, followed by the first form, plus object. So if I say that I'd like to meet the Prime Minister, it means this is my desire. मैं Prime Minister से मिलना चाहती हूँ. I'd like to have a cup of coffee. I'd like to invite all my friends this year. I'd like to answer this question, please. Okay. Now, if I say I'd like to, it means obviously I'm talking about my interest. अगर आपको किसी का इंटरेस्ट या डिजायर जाननी होती है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? would को सब्जेक्ट से आगे ले आएंगे. So, would you like to? Would you like to have a cup of coffee? So here I am talking about, or I'm asking your desire. What would you like to have for breakfast? Would you like to watch a movie on Saturday? Would you like to donate some money? Would you like to have dinner with us? The next usage is for talking about your preference. We use would rather. कई बार जैसे हमारे पास ऑप्शंस होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रेड पहनूं या पिंक, मैं रेड ज्यादा पसंद करूंगी. सो आई विल से दैट आई वुड रादर वेयर रेड देन पिंक. I would rather go to Manali than Shimla. Now if I say that I would rather go to Manali, so मेरा preference क्या है? Manali. तो जो भी आपकी choice होती है उसको आप पहले बताते हैं. I would rather buy a diamond ring than a gold ring. I would rather stay home than go out. I would rather watch a movie than go to the party. I would rather have a cup of coffee than tea. Okay, so whatever your preference is, उसके बारे में आप पहले बात करेंगे. The next usage is to talk about your past routine. Now you must be thinking कि past routine बताने के लिए तो हम used to लगाते हैं. बिल्कुल ठीक. So if I say that when I was in college, I used to eat junk food a lot. बिल्कुल ठीक है. But when it comes to telling a lot of sentences about your past routine, we suggest using would. Because used to बार बार use करने में ना थोड़ा सा it sounds a little absurd. The formation is subject plus would plus first form plus subject. Let's have a lot of examples. So supposedly आपको मुझे बताना है कि मैं जब स्कूल में थी तो मैं क्या क्या करती थी. When I was in school, I would wake up at 6 o'clock every day. I would complete my homework without anybody's help. I would not bother my parents for anything. I would play pranks on my teachers. Now यहाँ मैंने would लगाया है अपना past routine बताने के लिए, which is grammatically absolutely correct and acceptable. Now before I tell you the last usage of would, I've got to tell you something. When we speak in Hindi, we generally mix the tenses. अगर जैसे मैं बोलूँ कि वो कह रही है कि वो मार्केट नहीं जाएगी, प्रेजेंट के बाद मैंने फ्यूचर लगाया, ठीक है. उसने बोला कि वो मार्केट जा रही है, पास्ट के बाद मैंने प्रेजेंट लगाया, बिल्कुल एक्सेप्टेबल है. However, when it comes to speaking in English, you can't do that. You cannot mix the tenses while speaking in English. So past के बाद जितने भी आपके actions आते हैं, जितने भी आपके sentences आते हैं, वो आपको past में ही change करने पड़ते हैं. So let's talk about this. Will का past क्या है? Would. She informed me that she will come late. No, she would come late. So informed है, past है, तो मुझे next में will का would करना पड़ेगा. Your parents told us that you would not participate. Told है, past है, so next क्या होगा? Would. I knew that you would not help her. Knew past है, no का, so you would not help her. I thought you would not go for the interview. She told me that she would cook pasta for breakfast. Okay, now for checking your understanding, I have posted a few wrong sentences in the comment box. I would like you to have a glance and try to correct those sentences and post in the comment box. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked it. And share it with those who you think need to understand the correct usages of the modal verb would. Happy learning!